everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make smoothie. There are varieties of combination you can make like fruits with fruits, veg with fruits, veg with veg, nuts with dairy. The options are unlimited. But the one I'm going to show you is the well balanced one. Hope you will enjoy. Why smoothie is good for your health? First of all, you can't eat lots of veggies, fruits, nuts in one shot. If you make smoothie, you can drink everything together. So that's the big advantage of smoothie. Secondly, when you cook veggies, a lot of like vitamin C, antioxidants, and other vitamins get lost or like get reduced when you cook. But if you eat raw, you get all the nutrients intact. So that's another advantage of smoothie. To prepare a well-balanced smoothie, you should have veggies. Ideally, you should have 2 to 3 cups of greens. I'm using greens. And these greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fibers. And they are also low in calories. Then you should have 2 to 3 cups of fruits. They are rich in dietary fiber and they add lots of energy to your body. And high source of vitamin C, antioxidants, and you don't have to worry about unnecessary calories. And then add some nuts. If you like your smoothie to be a little bit sweet, then you can add dates or you can add honey. I prefer dates, and also this mango is very sweet, so it will be little bit sweeter. But I'm not using mango every time. It's seasonal fruits. I'm always trying to use seasonal fruits, not going for expensive ones. But it's just that today I had some cherries, so I'll be adding that just to add some color. Some people say you should not eat fruits and vegetables together, but there are a lot of contradictions, so I'm not sure which one is true. But if you see the plant's anatomy, in a whole plant, they have roots, they have stems, they have greens like leafies and all those, and they have a flower which turns to fruits. So everything is part of the plant. We can eat the roots, we can eat the stems, like celery is the stems, I guess. Then this aloe vera also. This is fruits, this is the greens part. So everything is edible, and I'm not sure why some people consider that you shouldn't eat together fruits and vegetables. But some people define vegetables as those growing under soil. So, like potato, carrots, radish, they are beets, they are all vegetables. Maybe they don't want your smoothies to be high in calorie because the vegetables growing under the soil, like potatoes, carrots, radish, beets, they are a little bit high in calories. So that could be the reason, I'm not sure. So today I'm using bok choy. You can use other leafies like spinach, kale, moringa, but make sure it's organic because you will be using raw, so you don't want lots of pesticides and other chemicals going inside your body. Bok choys are excellent source of vitamin C, antioxidants, calcium, iron, minerals, and lots of other benefits also it has. You should use the seasonal fruits. Since this is summertime going on, it's a mango season, so I'm using mango and it's also my favorite. And then I have banana. This makes your smoothie little bit creamier. The taste will be nice. The texture will be very smooth. And then I'm using green apple, red apple. I have some cherries here. This is called amla, which is actually gooseberry. This is also excellent source of vitamin C. And I have little bit of turmeric here. Generally, I don't use this every day, but I try to use 3 4 times, um, maybe 5 grams or 10 grams fresh turmeric. And in nuts, I have walnuts. Mostly, I'm using almonds, but today I am using walnuts, and little bit 1 spoon of chia seeds, then dates for little bit sweetness, and dates are also excellent source of natural sugar, iron, and it can add lots of energy to your body. I'm going to use fresh aloe vera. I'll be taking less than half, and then I will add in water for 5 minutes so that there will be no alanine, which is the yellow color sap when you cut aloe vera, and this can upset your stomach. So make sure you are keeping the aloe vera in water for at least few minutes. I have celery. This is also excellent for your body. It detox your body. And then I have cold pressed organic coconut oil. I don't use this one also every day, but this is also very good for your health, especially if you're looking for heart healthy fat. You can use coconut oil. Seeds and nuts are also excellent source of heart healthy fat, minerals. So, to get a well balanced smoothie, you should use 2 to 3 cups of veggies, 2 to 3 cups of fruits, handful of nuts, little bit dates for extra sweetness, and then some fresh stains like celery, aloe vera, and then you can add coconut oil or avocado, which is excellent source of heart healthy fat. So I'll cut the aloe vera first, and I will dip in water for 5 minutes. I'm not using organic apple, so I'm going to take out the skin. If you are using organic apple, then you don't have to take out the skin. I'm also not taking out the apple seeds. There was a viral post, where I saw people are saying if you eat apple seeds, you will die. But for that, you have to eat millions and millions of apples. I'm not sure how many. But if you eat apple seeds in moderate, like few seeds, is actually good for your health. They can destroy the cancer cells. Alright, so I have already cut the fruits in desired shape. I have this blender. Generally, Vitamix is the best blender for the smoothies, but that's out of my budget. It's really costly. So I'm using this one. This is good enough for me. I just try to cut the fruits and veggies. If I have like broccolis or anything, I will just cut in small pieces so that there will be not much pressure. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to add the veggies first. I mean the leafies. Make sure it's fully washed. I generally keep it for around 5 minutes in the water. Then I'm adding the aloe vera cubes. You should add plenty of water. Some people think that when you are making smoothie, you don't have to add lots of water, but it's not right because you need lots of water. It will not blend well if you don't add sufficient water. So let's start. I will add this one first, the veggies. Now adding celery and apples, gooseberries, cherries, mangoes, the mango pieces. I think it's. I'll just leave it some of the pieces here. Need to add more water. Sometimes I add coconut water, and you can use milk if you like, but I don't use any dairy product. Some people add yogurt to make it creamier. 1 spoon of coconut oil. Make sure it's organic. And at last, I will just add lemon juice. Make sure your hands are clean. How can I forget the banana? This will make my smoothie smooth. Alright, I think it's done. Let me see the taste and consistency. So it's perfect. Yeah, yummy. I have this beer jug and I'm going to use for the smoothie. So you can see the consistency. It's not very liquid and not very thick. So this is the perfect one. Alright. So my well balanced healthy smoothie is ready. It has veggies, it has fruits, it has nuts, coconut oil, which is healthy, heart healthy fat. Always make sure you are not using same veggies, same fruits, same nuts every day. You should mix and match, and that will give you the optimum result. Cheers. Try at home and let me know how it was. Sometimes you will notice the smoothies are not very smooth. Maybe some of the seeds, fruits left, little bit the chunks left. I think it's fine. You can always chew, and it's good in fact. Take your smoothies every day. Enjoy and relax when you are drinking. Don't rush and gulp it down. You will definitely see a difference.